Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. We need to divide both sides by x plus number 1. Next, we have y and first derivative of y. This is about linear differential equations. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that positive 1 over s plus 1 next to y. This is for integrating factor, and I will put this one cone here. And we have e to the power of ln of s plus 1. And now we have s plus number 1. So that means we multiply both sides by this one. This one we have number 1. This one we have f and s. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So in this one, we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to 8b. So the integration of that one, we have y multiplied by s plus number 1. This one, we can use about integration by parts. And we have like this. Next, we have the condition. That means when s equals to number 1, y equals to number 25. So, we put number 25 and number 1 cone here. This one we have 50. This one you got number 0. And I will put negative number 1 go to the left. And now we have c equals to 51. And now we put number 51 cone here. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.